Hi to all. The good microbes are secrets of health and goodness. Our body by number is more microbes than other cells, 100 trillions approx. Which keep on changing upon what we eat, where we alive, our environment. More research is needed because microbial world was missing, though it was always there. It affects each of us every time, everywhere. Just by changing lifestyle and diet we can reverse our so-called incurable disease. We are superorganism and multicellular with microbes. The metabolism is very complex. It has been found that gut bacteria varies as per region, diet, environment. Normal people have different and diverse microflora. There are superfood naturally available in nature which is so programmed for our metabolism, that our body can maximally metabolize it and keep out gut bar and axis normal and healthy. Just by interfering with natural process we are harming our health, future health. We are using chemical everywhere in agriculture, industry, medicines, construction etc. which ultimately either kill good bacteria in our gut and or in our ecosystem and mutate them in bad microbes. You may not be knowing, but using airplanes and skyrocketing buildings we are exposing ourselves to more radiations or more bad microbes. Just change your diet and you can compensate for harm we did with our health. I am listing some foods which I think are promoters of good microbes: anti-breast cancer foods, purple grapes, strawberry, pomegranate, white mushrooms, broccoli, flaxseed, apples. Apples are anti-breast cancer, ovarian cancer, laryngeal cancer, colorectal cancer. Legumes lower blood pressure, regulate blood sugars. Berries are good for cardiovascular diseases, sweet corn and goji berries for good vision, citrus fruits for DNA repairing. Broccoli are superfoods, anti-DNA damage, anti-cancer, detox liver, good for breast cancer and prostate cancer. Carrot, pumpkin, apple, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, garlic are anti-cancer. Beetroot and flax seeds for blood pressure. Red cabbage is purple sweet potatoes. Cranberry for reversing fatty liver. Green tea, soybeans, mushrooms are good for breast cancer. Sesame, pumpkin, sunflower seeds are good for stress. Almond, flax seeds for anti-prostate cancer. Saffron for anxiety. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, goji berries, mint leaves are anti-radiation. Chili powder, paprika, turmeric, cumin anti-colorectal cancer. Lentil for anti-sugar spike. Watermelon for male erectile dysfunction. Vinegar for polycystic ovary syndrome etc. For details you can go online for Dr. Michael Greger. Mentioned foods are nutrient-rich alongside good microbe-rich. More study needed for microbiology. I suspect nature works like ear and cog mechanism and missing link are microbes. Moreover, avoid smoking, processed foods, keep reside from polluted area, air, soil, water, sound and light. Nature has bonus after 100 years, that is your growth hormones suppresses, you live long.